All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So independent. Independent. Yeah. Not being reliant on others or needing other things or people. Not being reliant, but independent. He is an independent person. Yeah, he doesn't need anyone else. He is very independent. He does not need anyone else. No. Did you see those independent companies? Did you see the independent companies? Yeah. We will speak to a lot of independent distributors or factories. Yeah. How cool is that? So, we like being independent people. We want to do our own things in life. Yes. How cool is that? I have been to an independent hotel. Yeah, it's a hotel and it's independent from the chains. They do its own thing. That rule is independent and has its own. That hotel is independent and has its own rules. The hotel is independent and makes its own rules. Yeah. How cool is that? We're building an independent business. Independent business. Don't need anyone else's help. Independent and it works. Yes. By being independent, you will learn a lot of things about life. Yes. Yes. How cool is that? Yes. Soon those independent islands will be ours. They won't be independent for much longer. They won't be independent for much longer. Yeah, they are ours. They're ours soon. They will be ours. They won't be independent for long. Yes. How cool is that? So, independent, not reliant on others, or things or people. Yeah. So, can you use independent in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments, language explorers? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.